Welcome to my home tour today, guys. Just come with me, guys. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go and see some property every single Wednesday here in the office. Let's go and get some clients for this home tour today. I've just popped into my friend's shop.
La Bella Vida.
So it's a great place to come and buy some
Treasures from around the world.
treasures from around the world. Some real traditional gems in here, guys. Things that, you know, are from all parts of Mexico.
India, Turkey, Japan.
Wow. Wow.
Chapala.
Yeah. So La Bella Vida.
Yeah. La Bella Vida. Yeah, welcome. We are waiting for you.
Let's go and get some clients. So we've asked quite a few people, struggling to find some clients today. If not, guys, you're going to come out with me and I'm going to do the home tour with you all watching. All right, let's do it. So welcome to the first listing of the day, guys. So the listing price of Casa Louise is $359,000 US. The HOA fees, guys, per month come out to around $100 per month, which is about 2,000 pesos, just over. Let's not forget about the large terrace out the back for entertaining guests or simply relaxing and taking in the wonderful views all year round here at Lake Chapala. The sunsets are fantastic from this property, guys. You also have your own mirador that you can go up on that, and really the views really open up there. You know, let me give you some stats. Construction is 272 square meters, which is in feet 2,928. The lot size is 778 square meters, in feet 8,374. If you're looking for a house that you need, it's all about the location, and it's all about walking to everywhere, and you know, not having to have a car. I mean, you can have a car, but not having to have a car. This is probably a good option to check out. Vista Alegre is only a stone's throw away from restaurants, banks, bars, casino. You've got a Walmart supermarket down the road. You have everything you kind of need on your doorstep here in this property. So it's all about the location, and it has some good views as well. Next property, here we come. This is the second property, guys, on the tour today, and this is priced at $175,000 US. So you do get quite a lot for your buck here in Riberas del Pilar, which is just outside of San Antonio. Riberas is a gated community of 31 homes. All the lots are over 3,000 square feet, which comes in at 289 square meters, if you're wondering, guys. And optional miradors offer lake and mountain views on any of the properties. The complex will have its own water treatment plant, which is important. No septic system needed, individual septic system. This one-level property has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, an office, a separate laundry pantry area, a carport. Miradors can be added on later. Like I mentioned, guys, the mirador is an extra price, but I believe it is around the $12,000 mark. So Riberas del Pilar, for your information, guys, is located between Chapala and Mirasol. This area has been expanding over the past few years because what's been happening here is the land has been relatively quite cheap, and a lot of expats have been buying into this area and developing homes, little gated communities. So it is getting a lot better. The roads are getting slightly better, and if you're looking to get a property from that kind of 170 mark up to that 300,000 mark, Riberas del Pilar is a really good option. You know, you're only a couple of streets away from the main carretera, which can take you to Chapala or Ajijic, and you have everything: shops, gyms. So welcome to Garden Lot, guys. There are 5 private houses in this condo with a clubhouse and swimming pool. So plenty of space to enjoy the common area, take in the views of the from the clubhouse terrace. Let me give you some stats on this property. The listing price of the property is $171,000 US. The construction is 153 square meters, which comes out at 1,647 feet. The lot size is 243 square meters, which comes out as 2,723 square feet. Let's go and have a look at the Mirador, shall we? See what the views are like. Oh, there's plenty of space up here. So thanks so much for joining me on this house tour today, guys. You know, every single Wednesday here in the office room. So come on down, put your name on the list, and come out with me on this Wednesday afternoon house tour and Lake Chapala. It's been my pleasure, guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already to my page, guys. Please comment also down below, guys. Let me know your thoughts of these properties. Do you like them? Would you like to see more of this kind of stuff, or would you like to see a different kind of style of property? Let me know and I'll put something together. Thank you so much again, guys. Please give me a thumbs up. It always helps here on the algorithms. Hasta luego, amigos.